Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the daily combo, how to unlock the daily combo for Pixel Tab by Pixelverse. So you can see there's a current giveaway going on, which is $220k worth of USDT for giveaway right here. I'll make a full video on that. So let's get straight to the video. You click on where it says rewards, and I've already claimed my daily combo right here. So this is the daily combo for today. Right here is the daily combo for today. You just have to look at it, and then all you have to do is just input the same characters right here, and you are going to get 5 million coins worth of the pixel tab right here, guys. It's really simple. Right now I have 8 million. So if you're new to this channel, you help me by subscribing to this channel. Like this video, let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Peace out, guys. See you in the very next one.